Okay, so we are going to find some random plane in Flightradar24. Okay. So now let's find random plane. As you can see, it's raining outside. Ooh, Jet 2? Jet 2? You can hear all the rain outside. Yeah, that's happening. Now I have to turn it off. Okay, so now this is what happened. Eurowings. Yeah, because I'm in the map of Europe. Oh, there's lots in India. Oh, let's find which plane is this. Saudi. And let me find what plane. Indigo, especially, of course, in Indigo. Air Arabia. It already arriving in Tirumapura, Air Arabia, Abu Dhabi today, and it is going to arrive to the airport. Well, I'm going to go to my local airport. Is this the Kochi? No, this is the Kannur airport. I am going to the Kozhikode Kannur International Airport. I think it's here. I mean, like Cook. What is the battle? Sorry. It is Kochi. It doesn't go G right now. I am right now in Kochi. Right now. Record Cadicut. No. Kochi. Yes, this is the airport I was looking for. This is the airport. Kochi International Airport. Yeah, how much? There is right now no planes on here. Hello? At least in Cochin there was not even a plane over there. Indigo. I knew it is Indigo. So this is another Indigo. Yes. Is this the Kempegowda International Airport? Is this my Bangalore International? Yeah, this is Air India Express. Arrived 0 seconds ago. Yes, going to the terminal, huh, mister? You Mr. Sneaky Boy? Indigo. Oh, I think I have to get some. I have to do something. So I'm in the 3D view of it. Anyways, I had to use add 0 sections remaining. And right now, usually on these type of planes, like Flightradar24 doesn't have any landing gear left yet. So it looks like the plane is just barely landed over there. So now let's go. Yeah, let's go back. Here, into here. Indigo 8. Is this a 80R72? Indigo. Bengaluru. This is the Airbus A321. Okay, thank you for boarding Airbus Airlines 282. Airbus A320. Okay. Indigo Airbus A320. Okay. Actually, Airbus A320. Okay. So now let's go. Wait, something is wrong. That's a Air India. That's a Boeing 737 Max. Okay, let me find the one. Let me find Atlas Air. Yeah, Atlas Air flights. Let me see. It is of course a 747. Show on map. Yeah, it is of course. It is a 747. This is literally a 747. Literally. And let me check. Miami to Bogota. Thank you for letting me know. This is Bukidbala. Hurubidibala Munova Airport. Oh, my super. Okay, shut up. Okay, I have to unlock it. Wait. Yeah, this is the 3D view again. I got 3 more sessions. So this is the 3rd session. Right now, it is Atlas Air. Going to reach in one of the airports. Yeah, this is Atlas here. Of course, even though you press it, it's just a copy to you. You cannot actually hijack the plane. Otherwise, this app will get banned if you try to hijack the plane. Atlas Air. The back literally looks like United Airlines. Okay, Zoe, you dog, can you please stop doing that? I am busy doing. Oh, come on, stop distracting me. Okay, so yeah, like this is very peaceful actually. I ain't going to lie, this is very peaceful. Okay, let's just go. Is this a private clicker? Copa? Opa? Alasea? No, Latam. Avianca? Hui. Let me see all the airlines in America right currently. Southwest. Okay, the video is going to end. Bye bye. See you next time. I can post videos whenever I want. So I don't know if I'm going to see or I still have to continue. No, shut up. And now this is a hot air balloon. Private one, okay. See you next time, but I will post videos whenever I want, so maybe next time.